Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into LongBridge reverse mortgage account. To sign into your LongBridge financial reverse mortgage account, simply follow the steps till the end. The first thing to do is to launch open a web browser and then visit the LongBridge financial loan servicing page. To visit the page, simply type in longbridge-financial.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now once you get to the page, from the main homepage of LongBridge, go to the top of the screen and click on the servicing button. Once you get to the servicing tab, scroll down and under access your account information online, click on login or register. Now you will find yourself in the sign in area. Simply enter your email address and then your account's password in the respective text boxes. If you don't remember your password, you can click on forgot your password or reset your password link. If you remember your credentials, you can type it down in the respective text boxes and click on sign in order to log in and access your LongBridge reverse mortgage account online. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.